Hey there, here in Phoenix, Alex from Estrella Roofing. Welcome to Estrella Roofing channel on YouTube. We just completed this beautiful shingle roof, and today I would like to show you how is the process to replace the whole roof.
Yo!
Alright, the first thing that we have to do in this house, we gotta remove the old material. We have to remove the old shingles, the old felt, and I will be showing you guys how we inspect the whole house to replace any rotten wood or any damaged fascia board. Before, we have to blower everything and remove the old felt. Alright, here removing the old felt or underlayment. I don't know how do you know the shingle felt, but we have to clean everything because we need to inspect the entire roof to make sure that everything is okay. And when we find any rotten wood or damaged fascia board, we have to replace it. Okay, after everything is in the right place and we replace all the wood, we have to install the felt. The felt is the most important thing on this roof. We have to make sure everything is in the right place. We have to leave the right overlap and make sure they don't leave any hole on the roof. Okay, after we cover everything on this house, we have to mark the lanes to start installing shingles. One of the most important things on the roof is to make sure that you're installing the shingles in the right way. If you're installing the nails in the right place, because if you leave any nail on the wrong place, you could have a leak in the future. So guys, make sure everything has to be in the right place. Okay, we also replaced the entire patio. We removed the old material, so we removed the cap sheet, and after it we installed new wood and we installed the new base and cap sheet. We are sealing the corners and the drippage to keep the water out. We are sealing it with a torch and plastic cement. Okay, here in Arizona we are doing the work, and if you want to hire us, give us a call to 602-373-4313 or go to our website estrellaroofing.com. Don't forget, here in Estrella Roofing, quality matters, so don't worry about your roof. We're gonna help you and we're gonna be honest with you.